Today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about PayPal fees. Whether you're sending money to a friend, receiving payments for your side business, or running a full-blown business, understanding these fees can save you a lot of money. Let's get started. First, let's break down the fees associated with sending money through PayPal. If you're sending money to a friend or family within the US using your PayPal balanced or linked bank account, there's no fee. However, if you use a debit or credit card, PayPal charges a fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. For international transfers, there's a fee of 5% of the total transaction amount, with a minimum fee of 99 cents and a maximum of 4.99. This fee structure is applied to cover the cost of currency conversion and international processing. Now let's look at receiving money. For personal accounts, receiving money from friends or family is free, if they're using their PayPal balance or linked bank account. If a sender uses a credit or debit card, you will be charged 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. If you're receiving payments for goods or services, the fee is the same. If you're dealing with international transaction, there's an additional fee for currency conversion, which is typically between 3 and 4% of the transaction amount, depending on the currencies involved. Now let's compare business and personal account fees. For personal accounts, most transactions are straightforward, with minimal fees, especially if you're just sending or receiving money between friends and family. On the other hand, business accounts come with a different fee structure. Business accounts pay a standard fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents for online sales or invoicing. International transactions to an additional 4.4% fee, plus a fixed fee based on the currency. Business accounts also have access to additional features like invoicing, subscription services, and advanced reporting, which can justify the fee structure. To sum up, sending money using a PayPal balance or linked bank account is free within the US, but using a debit or credit card incurs a fee. Receiving money is free if it's from a PayPal balanced or a linked bank account, but using a credit or debit card incurs a fee. International transactions have higher fees. Business accounts have a standard fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction, with additional charges for international transactions and added features. If you're sending money to friends and family, receiving occasional payments, a personal account is likely sufficient. However, if you're running a business or regularly receiving payments for goods and services, a business account is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.